How to buy PayPath token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money with some crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure that you get the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to check their Telegram channel, and you can go and engage with their community, as you can see. So if you check this post from the MEXC listing, you will be able to see that we are thrilled to announce that the PayPath token Kickstarter has concluded and PayPath will be listed on MEXC. So as you can see, the token listed yesterday. Now if you go to your MEXC account, you will be able to find it and you can buy it. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find a referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it in some USDT. Now after you create an account on MEXC, and fund it with some USDT. Now go to your account, as you can see, and now go back. You can copy the token address from here, as you can see here, and after that in the search you can paste it and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now after you waiting some seconds, you will be able to see this page. Now as you can see, click on buy and click on limits. So here type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see the total that you will pay of that USDT on your account, and click on buy PayPath. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy PayPath. So this is how to buy PayPath token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.